A crowd of mourners gather as bodies of the 43 rice farmers murdered in cold blood by Boko Haram insurgents are brought in for interment. Governor Babagana Zulum joins residents of Zambamari village for the funeral. The residents are obviously still in shock as the farmers had only gone to neighboring Koshebe village in Mafa local government area to cultivate their crop.
They were even slaughtered while they were working in their farmlands. Our people are in very difficult conditions. They are in two extreme conditions. On one side, if they stay at home, it's very sad. Indeed, it's very sad.
The community suspects the death toll may be far more than the official figure released. One of the survivors narrates his ordeal in the hands of the killers, whom he says always come around to seek their help until the story changed on Saturday night.
When they started gathering our people, we thought it was for us to help them carry their loads as usual from the bush to town. But we were mistaken. They were calling people in one after the other. We thought it was for questioning since we didn't hear gunshots. By the time we realized they were slaughtering them, many of our people had been killed. A few of us escaped, only by the grace of God.
Governor Zulum is worried about the security situation here and wants government to step in.
So we are still appealing to the federal government to ensure recruitment of our boys, the recruitment of our indigents into the Nigerian army, which is very important. Again, we need our civilian JTF and hunters to be recruited into the Civil Defense Corps so that they can form part of the agro rangers with a view to protecting the population. Mr. President should listen to the call of our people.
Governor Zulum's appeal for the recruitment of more civilian JTF members may be timely, but the people want more military presence in the area to forestall a repeat of the gruesome murder of innocent souls.